Hey guys, in this video I am going to be showing you guys around Donald Heritage Train Park. So let's just have a look at some trains. Oh, some characters on the train. So let's get into it. And no intro because this is on my iPad. So yeah. So firstly we got J524. Pretty sure a couple of them, I think. And you can go inside, but I'm going to show you a walk around first. I've never actually realised this. J-classes are very tall. They're like really tall. It's starting to rain. So it's the front of the J-class. The J. And I'm pretty sure the front. It's not. The bar isn't connected, but. Well, and the British coupling. These locos were made in British, so I guess they put in a British coupling. Pretty sure this is British coupling. Walk around the other side, then I'll go into the cab. This is all really cool. Oh, shoot. Now I've got to get inside the cab. Now I'm on the platform. So no, I don't think I've actually ever touched a number plate, so just feels like wood. Don't think that's the original one. Now let's go inside the cab. I've been here before. This was an oil burner. Oh, I thought this was an oil burner, but now it's coal burner. Yeah. It's probably shut. Gonna sit in the driver's cab. This is what it's like to be a driver. This is the view you see. Sort of on the smoke reflections from the wave. Sorry, but this actually works. Now I'm going to you can't even see a single thing. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Pretty sure this would be for full throttle. I can imagine the engineers when they're ever in a race, the engineers be like, "Bob, put it up higher! Don't care that it explodes above the pressure! Just put up the damn pressure! We need it! Keep winning this! Steam! We need some more steam! Shovel in the coal! Full speed! Full steam ahead! Oh, there's a little child on the tracks! I don't care! Just go! God, you're not gonna do it, I'll do it myself! Go on, Bob! Oh, we're at full throttle? We win! Bob, you are never gonna be my partner again. Yeah, that's just something that might have happened, or what I would be doing. Does this work? Oh man, that doesn't work. No, it doesn't. Well, let's see. This works right here. This works right here. That's the thing that locked up. But there's a lot of holes in the ground. But you gotta be careful. You gotta be a bit careful. This is sort of like the cab on my Warrington Railway video. but just bigger. Have a look at that Mornington Railway video, but it's quite long, so you might have to watch it in places, but yeah, it's pretty good. God, there's a bottle right there. Why'd you let her in a train? Alright, now I'm gonna go have a look at this guards van. Actually, instead of a guards van, I meant have a look at Luba van. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. So put this up. Just also wanted to show you this. It has J549, which is at the Victorian Goldfields Railway. It's a good place. Go there. They got VR and L1152. And now we're gonna go to the Luba van. This is the Luba van. I'm pretty sure this works. Yep, it does work. This works. Coupling does work. But I think these were made in Australia, so they don't have the coupling that one that the J Plus has. I'm gonna go up here. Sadly, you can't go inside the Luba van. I could imagine if they opened it, it would have lots of spiders inside. And you go around the other side of the Luba van. Here's the other side of the Luba van. Pretty sure this works as the other one. Yep, it does. There's a step here, right here. Using one hand right now. So I'm gonna show you guys the buffet car. You probably don't know what it is, but I'll show you in a bit. This right here is that buffet car. Security notice. There's security, that's good. Oh, there's some broken windows. I can walk up here and then show you the inside. See the inside of a bit. I'll show you. A while ago when I came here, the back door up there was open. Might be open. Oh man, it ain't open. I'll show you this here so you can have a read of it. Pause the video and have a read of it. Now I'm going to show you that old V1 Luba van that's now a Dunny toilet if you're American. While you're there, explain a couple of things. Might show you the other side where there's more carriages. Yeah, see you there. So now I'm at the other side. This is pretty sure where they store the animals. And this also works. They might all work. Yeah. That's the animal car. Pretty sure it's an animal car, I'm not really sure. And here's the tanker car. They're all coupled together. That's pretty cool. And have a stick. For all the information boards, I will show you so you can pause if you want to read it. There's the information board. And the tanker. Sorry, I can't really read that. Yeah. It's the tanker. And now let's move on to this one. Strength to do it. Yeah. Maybe the world's strongest man can do it, but I can't. Let's see. Information board. Black Friday. I wonder what this has to do with Black Friday. This is a water tank, I'm pretty sure, for water. Okay, so now let's go to the other. GY wagon maybe? Yeah, just GY wagon about it. Yeah, it's GY wagon. So here's the information to show you. Pause it if you want. let's go to here, which is a little flatbed. Oh, inside, I don't know, there might be nothing in there, but you know, might as well show you. There's that. And here's an explosives van, which they would actually have two of those between it for, so I don't really know the reason. Is this unlocked? If it's unlocked, then that would be so cool. That's the explosive van. And we've got another animal car. Oh, I've got to show you this, of course. Pause and read it if you want. Here's another animal car. Pretty sure. And here's the. And here's the guard's van, I'm pretty sure. Here's the board. And the door's open, so why not? Might as well just go inside. Here's inside the guard's van. Gotta be careful because there's broken glass. That's why I'm going so slow. Yeah. I've been in here, but I've just chucked their rubbish in here, which is a bad thing. Looking out for broken glass. That will probably be a furnace, maybe, I think. This is where the guard would sit. Might be a good place for a homeless man. Yeah, I thought there would be more. What's inside here? The Danny. Alright. You're not saying the Danny. I'm gonna go back down and in the end of the video. So yeah, that'll be the not the end of the video. Still want to show you those. Just about to say the end of the video, but yeah, God lucky. You get to watch more video. We got the hopper. Did this come from This comes from the UK. It has a UK style coupling. Let's see where read the board so it's from. Oh wait. There you go. Now here's a flatbed. We have some crossing gates. I don't know what that's from. Here's the information board again. Another information board for you to read. And there's another one. How many flatbeds are there? Yeah, here's the other flatbed. And they have some old wheels. Don't really know where they're from. And those things are off track, so yeah. And here's a GY wagon. And to end it all off, we've got a little crane, which I don't know if it'll work or not, but looks good condition, so I might as well try. That doesn't work. That'll be the end of my video. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. And as of all, have a great day and goodbye.